Good morning, this is Barbara Campbell. I'm here today to talk about the importance of visual concepts on web pages for companies. So I designed this web page for Baycare Hospital. So a few things, I use visual simplicity, so it gives that appearance that it's organized and professional. Its simple and direct visual presentation creates a clear path to get information that is needed. This minimizes visual tension. The simple white and blue colors create a friendly and user experience. The website is balanced for readability. Visual organization, it's one of the most important pieces. So the placement of the tabs along the top, they're simple straight lines. They're similar, they're proximal to each other, and it's a continuous line that lead to a common endpoint. The tab placement at the bottom, again, it's in that single line. They're all similar and proximal to each other. And again, continuous line that lead to that common endpoint. And then some pictures are used at the bottom that make it easier to navigate. So some other visual concepts are visual interactivity. So the search bar is centered at the top of the page, which this increases the viewer's activity and engagement. They can click and search to keep the viewer on the web page longer and can help increase the likelihood of potential customers. The social media memes are used so the viewers can post their experience. This creates an activity and that engagement as well. So I used a chart here. So charts and graphs, they visually communicate data. It's a quick visual tool to get information to a viewer, and it's simple. And again, it keeps their attention on the page. Regarding graphs and charts, this shows an overall rating of the patient experience. So many factors go into this number. It could easily bore a viewer. So a simple chart it's comparing Baycare to the national average of other hospitals, it's better shown than tried to explain. So visual images, they can create mood and emotions for the viewer. So again, a simple image, it can create a calming emotional response to the viewer. The use of the color blue creates a calming effect to the viewer. Many white spaces are used to make the space more readable and helps reduce the patient's tension. So eye-catching images also enhance the viewer's mood and emotional response. And the clean lines can reduce stress. It can make a viewer feel that the company is organized and it's there to help them. So the physicians, I placed this picture of where they're smiling, and I placed it right under the, welcome to Baycare. So again, it makes the viewer feel just that makes them feel that it's welcoming them to the website. So in conclusion, due to people surfing the web quickly, a company must use visuals that attract the right audience. The homepage must communicate quickly and efficiently so that the target audience, will stop on that page. Simple company logos are used to identify the brand, which can increase customers, that brand recognition. Strategic use of those white spaces and images and graphics positioning will attract and guide a viewer to a specific information that they're looking for. As humans, we're visual thinkers and learners, so it's important to use these visual and textual communications when creating a website or an advertisement. Thank you.